Greetings. What is Alif deposit and how it differs from a standard deposit product? At Alif, we developed a deposit 50-50, which simply means that we share whatever income we receive by utilizing deposited funds. It works like this. We calculate the return on assets on our portfolio, including cash, then we apply this rate on your deposit. And the resulting value is shared 50-50. Due to the fact that we are striving to comply by the principles of participatory banking, we do not promise a fixed income on your deposit. Expected income in USD in the next 12 months is around 10 to 12% per annum, and in Tajikistan it is around 20 to 25%. All financing activities undergo a rigorous screening process, and our financing portfolio is largely guaranteed by regulatory capital, vehicles, gold, and real estate provided as collateral. We have a healthy portfolio with NPL consistently below 5% of the total portfolio. Alif Capital is committed to complete transparency and the best corporate governance practices. Regardless of annual audit of financial statements, we invite any depositor to conduct an audit review at any given time. We believe that in building a trusted financial organization in the region, first you have to get the basics right. We would be delighted to answer any question you may have. Thank you.